Hi there. We are glad that you have decided to embark on your MBA journey with us. This video will guide you through the complete registration and exam scheduling process for the NMAT by GMAC examination. Make sure you have a copy of your ID and signature proof along with a soft copy of your passport size photograph all ready. Let's begin. To begin the registration for the NMAT by GMAC examination, visit register.nmat.org. You will be asked for some basic information to create an account. Once you have filled in the information, click on Create an Account button. You will be prompted to verify the ownership of your email address. As soon as you click on the Verify Email button, you will be logged into your candidate dashboard and will receive your access credentials via an email. The candidate dashboard serves as your central hub for all activities related to your NMAT by GMAC examination. We will get to all the activities later in this video. Click on Register Now to begin with the registration process. The form has 7 stages and you can complete them all in one go or one by one and save your progress by using the Save button. This year, we have made the most candidate-friendly examination even friendlier with an option that allows you to take the NMAT by GMAC exam from the comfort of your home with an online proctored exam. Once you reach the exam mode stage of the registration form, you will be prompted to select the exam mode as either at test center or as online proctored at home. Please go through the rules and guidelines carefully beforehand, as you will not be able to change the mode once you have made the payment. Complete the form and make the payment. In case you have applied for an accommodation as a disabled candidate, you will have an option to make the payment once your accommodation request has been approved. As soon as you have completed your payment, your NMAT by GMAC ID will get generated. Please note this ID as it will act as the main reference for all your future correspondence. To schedule your exam, click on Book Exam Slot button on your dashboard and proceed with the scheduling process. You'll land on the screen wherein you have to select the test center, date, time slot and proceed to book the exam. Please note that the slots will only be available on a first come first served basis, so schedule your exam accordingly. Once done, click on the Go Home button to return to your dashboard. You will receive a confirmation email with the details of the test center and your time slot. You'll land on the screen wherein you have to first complete the My Profile section and then proceed with booking your exam slot. Please note that the slots are available on a first come first served basis, so schedule your exam as early as possible to get your preferred slot. Once you have booked the exam slot, your admit card will get generated and you can access the same by clicking on the admit card button on your dashboard here. You can view your current exam status by clicking on the View Exam Status button on your dashboard here. Want to reschedule your exam? You will have to pay the reschedule fee and then click on Reschedule Exam button to proceed with the booking. The steps are exactly the same as you have followed while booking the exam earlier. Once you have given your exam, your scorecard will be displayed on the candidate dashboard and can be accessed by clicking this button here. Not happy with your first attempt? You can always reattempt the NMAT by GMAC examination for your chance at a better score. Once you have successfully given the first attempt, simply click on Pay Retake Fee to make the payment for Retake 1 and proceed with scheduling your attempt as earlier. You will be prompted to choose between test center based exam or online proctored exam, so take your pick wisely.